Hi guys, today we will learn some vocabulary. Okay, for example, fish, hamburger, flour, crackers, cereal, yogurt, milk, tuna, pasta, potatoes, lettuce, cheese, carrots, bananas, apples, and bread. This is some example that we think that we learned today. Okay. I will show that as I am an imaginary person. Okay. First, I will ask here to another person, and I will ask. Okay, this is a little short presentation that I will learn. That we'll learn about the new vocabulary that we have here. Okay, where did you go the last night? The imaginary person. Her. Okay, I went to bought to the store some rackets. Where did you go the last night? I went to bought to the store some cucumber. Where did you go the last night? The imaginary person thought. I went to the store to bought some carrots. Where did you go the last night? I went to the store to bought some milk. Okay, the imaginary person thought. Where did you go the last night? I went to bought some bananas. Where did you go the last night? I went to the store to bought some chocolate. Where did you go the last night? I went to bought to the store some tomatoes. Where did you go the last night? I went to the store to bought some bread. Okay. Where did you go the last night? The imaginary person thought. I went to bought some tomatoes. Where did you go the last night? I went to bought some apple. Where did you bought the last night? No, sorry. Where did you go the last night? I went to bought some tomatoes. Sorry, lemons. Where did you go the last night? I went to bought some potatoes. Where did you go the last night? Imaginary person said. I went to bought to the store some onions. Okay, this is an example that now we will. I want that you have to do some to take some pictures, and you have to say the example that I showed you before. Okay, Ben, come, student. Okay, the students are. Where did you go the last night? The student answer. I went to bought some cake to the bakery. Okay, take another picture. Where did you go the last night? I went to bought some carrots. Where did you go the last night? The last night I went to the store to buy some lettuce. Where did you go the last night? I went to buy some apple. Where did you go the last night? I went to buy some potatoes. Sorry. Okay. Where did you go the last night? I went to buy to the store some bread. Where did you go to buy the last night? I went to the store to buy some milk. Where did you go the last night? I went to buy some tomatoes. Where did you go the last night? I went to buy some cucumber. Where did you go the last night? I went to buy some chicken. Okay, this is all for today.